Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates, and today we want to explore the opportunity to sell negative space. Selling air can be quite profitable. So how do you do that? Well, let's take a look at one of the designs that I created with a wide negative space area through the center. And so you can see we've done a garden style design. We have a linear placement of some of the floral materials that come down into the focal area here. And then over, we've got a pathway of carnations basing coming over into the other side where you see we've done a similar style line with the bells of Ireland. And then we did some repetitive insertions of the eryngium that kind of brings your eye back and forth, as well as some of the button mums. And we've taken the button mums from that mass, cleaned them up so that they become a little bit more of a line flower. Some of the buds we brought and added down to the basing at the bottom. But to start off with, we just brought an aspidistra leaf across and then just added a little bit of salal at the basing. Now the topper of it is adding some of the lily grass. And lily grass can really add a great accent into your designs. So let's take a look at how I did that. So you bring them together, bring the two tips together, and come around your floral material. And we just make a loop and then put those tips through and pull. And you can see how that creates some great negative space. You want it to be a little bit different, you can go ahead and pull it out, but you can see how that adds so much volume into your designs. You can see that I've added 8 stems here, and it added that dynamic line into that composition in contrast with the static lines that we see coming from the liatris and such. Now, lily grass really has a lot of options, and just you can do something as simple as adding some knots. This is a double knot on there, but just a single knot, and you could add these into your dozen roses, and it's just a simple love knot is what I called it. So it gave the customer a story to tell, like, oh, they added love knots into the design. Here's a double knot. And then it also has options that you can do kind of more of a geometric pattern by weaving it together. Taking 2 stems and tying the end together, I can create a leaf type structure that can come out of a design. So you can see how versatile lily grass is to really create different angles within your design. You're able to bend it and it doesn't break. And so you could do this and also just do a crease here so that you could add a little bit more geometry into your designs as well. So I hope you'll embrace these tips on selling negative space. So adding that air into your design and showing your customers that extra value. I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates, and I hope I inspired you to create some fabulous florals.